How to install Tuxpaint on your Windows computer. Go to a browser, any browser, search for Tuxpaint download. Once there, select your version. Windows 11, 10, 8, 7 or Visitor should click this. If you have a Windows before Visitor, then this would be your option. If you are using a Mac laptop, this is your option. Or those using Linux, this is your option. If you're using a phone or a tablet, this is your option. We shall start with Windows. Click on it. Once you open it, it's going to come to this page. For most computers, your bitrate would be 64. So you want to select this to download. The download process will start automatically. My download has started. This might take a little while, depending on how fast your computer and your internet are. Once your download is complete, you can click on it, open it. In case you do not know where your download is, look for this button right here. Or if, like me, the arrow is not there, you can minimize, go to any folder, look for your downloads. It should be among your first options in downloads. Double click it to open it. Instructions will show up. Click yes. Change your language to English. It's English. Read through the license. Click next. Select all users and click next. You definitely want to create a desktop icon, so make sure this box is checked. Click next. Now you're ready to install, so click on install. It should take a few seconds. You don't have to have this checked. Click finish. Now you should have your Tuxpaint showing up on your desktop. Installing stamps. You need to go back to Tuxpaint or simply search for it in Google. Click on the first option and again you'll be brought back here. Select your operating system and you have your stamps right here. Click on them to download them. This might take a while depending on how fast your computer is. Follow the same installation process.